It's Snap on Wednesday!
Oh, look at this sweet.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Don't let my wife see that. She wants one so bad. I don't know why, but she wants one.
Looks like a fucking marshmallow.
Oh, look at this. Tyler's got it going on in here. Got it going on. It's nice in here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you just ruined it.
Oh, what, you want to do business with the lights out?
Yeah.
It's not weird.
Whatever pays the bills.
Yeah.
I ain't good, but 20 bucks is 20 bucks.
$20 is $20.
I love that saying.
What are you getting today, Joel?
I do not know.
I do.
What am I getting? Oh, yeah. Sweet.
One of everything.
Yeah, I get one of those. I pre-ordered one.
Nice.
And a new screen for my cell phone, please.
Yeah.
I remember when those phones were so. Oh man, when those were like the big phones, eh? The iPhone 4.
Yeah. Do you know anybody that has one?
No, but I. Do you have the? What's that one? Do those ones light up or something?
Yeah.
And it's for like an iPhone 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
iPhone 4. Okay. Oh, it's oh yeah, it's battery operated. I see. Oh, I'm sure I can find someone that has one. You can give it away to somebody.
There you go. Give it away, give it away, give it away now.
Cool.
I think it still works. Yeah.
Fidget spinner?
The fidget spinner, yeah.
I got enough of those at home.
Yeah, you got kids.
Fidget spinners?
What kind of age group are you aiming for?
Oh, we got hockey pucks.
Okay, well, I understand that.
Yeah.
Well, if you got kids, yeah, bring home a fidget spinner. What's the difference?
There we go. That's so cool. Seven to 19, eh? That's cool. I like that. Just love how everything's modular.
Everybody's getting on board with the phone.
Yep. Why not, right?
Tool control.
How do you know you lost something sometimes, right? I mean, if it's missing out of it, then you know you're missing.
That sucks when you open it up and it's a spot.
Especially if it's a wrench.
Oh, speaking of which, I'm missing a socket.
Do any of your
That's not just me.
wives bake cookies?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Sounds like a dumb question, maybe.
Oh, cookie cutter.
You got Snap-on cookie cutters?
Fuck yeah, I do.
Holy shit.
There's a flank drive socket.
I think I'm gonna
There's a cordless impact gun.
These are fucking awesome.
There's a wrench. And there's my truck.
You don't got the Snap-on logo though, do you? Like that would be.
You can make one.
That's awesome.
Never enough. Never enough.
What about these stockings? I need one of those.
Hot pads.
Hot pads, yeah, that's awesome. You're full of it today. Nice.
There you go.
Oh, Merry Christmas to me.
Robert, you said your wife makes cookies?
Yeah.
Did she use them?
Sure.
There you go.
Wicked. Now I'm gonna have to buy something today.
How much are your stockings?
Oh, those are priceless.
Price?
Those? Oh
So that means free.
That's not what that means.
That's exactly what that means.
Just notice those. My wife would kill me, but she would be like, "Oh, you can put that in your room if you want."
hang it where nobody can see it.
We have black stockings, so high class here.
Three girls. So you need 3 of them.
Oh, not for them, for me.
Oh.
Cool.
3 for you. Yeah, 3 for me.
All right. Well,
Who wants to go
in the
first?
name of Christmas.
All right,
I can
Jordan will
go
go first.
In the name of Christmas?
Yeah. Otherwise, it's 60, but you get fish.
That word offends me, sir.
Happy holidays.
Get out.
Hey, what's this? You got going on over here?
The Christmas chest? What's in
Yeah.
the Christmas chest?
Come on, man. Jesus Christ, this thing's not moving. There we go. There we go. Yeah, what's in the Christmas chest?
Butter
Magic.
Oh, your cookies.
It's
Or your butter tarts. Your butter tarts.
and a new pair of socks.
Which are amazing, by the way.
I have to admit, man,
Yes.
I love my Snap-on socks. I've
Oh,
been
dude.
collecting them every year.
That's awesome.
This will be my 3rd pair,
Yeah.
and I still wear them.
I
Like
love
I've
'em.
had them for maybe 3 or 4 years
Are
already.
they like tall black ones?
Yeah.
Not
extra
super
thick.
tall.
They're,
Oh, okay.
yeah, they're crew socks.
I feel
Yeah.
like I've seen.
They're perfect. They're crew socks.
They're awesome.
Oh,
They
Yeah,
are
nice,
they
nice,
are
yeah.
probably the
Yeah,
best
I've seen
socks ever.
I've yet to wear a whole
Black
through
and
one.
white. I just walked
Yeah,
in
no.
with
No.
6,
Mine are in
3
great
whites,
shape.
3 blacks, and I handed them out randomly. I don't know what color you got.
All right. Did I get black?
I got black.
I got white this time, but I got 3 pairs of black at home.
That's a fucking ratchet.
I love them.
Oh, I have a screwdriver.
Whoa!
shit.
I have lots of screwdrivers.
You don't say.
What do you mean you have only one?
He's got one. And it's a Robbie. It's not even a Phillips.
Oh, is that a freaking laser beam on this bad boy or what?
Yeah, have you ever seen a Robertson screwdriver holding on a door panel
No.
or a Robertson screw?
I've seen vice grips for the window.
On the battery.
Yeah, I've seen that before. Yeah, people's do-it-yourself fix.
Yeah.
And you know it was a Canadian that did it.
What's that?
Put the Robertson head screw and hold the
Yeah.
door panel up.
You had to hold a door panel. I've seen it before.
Oh, can't get them across the border. Robertson's a Canadian invention.
Is the
I didn't know that.
Allen key also a Canadian thing as well? No, or is it? Works.
Interesting.
The history
Interesting
is
to
actually
know.
quite interesting because when they're one of the big fastener companies and the U.S. military was looking for something, it was they wanted Robertson, but Dr. Robertson, the guy that invented it, would not move his manufacturing facilities from Canada into the United States. So they dropped Robertson and went with Phillips.
Weird.
He would not take it out of the country, so.
Learn something new every day.
The longest time, as soon as you cross the border, you ask somebody for a Robertson. A what?
Yeah.
And it's better than Phillips too.
Yeah, but because he wanted to keep it inside his own country, lost out on billions of dollars.
It's better until it strips out.
Fair enough.
And then you just tap a Torx in there.
Yeah.
Something's not very
Tap
wrong
it
if
towards
you
into
strip out of Robertson.
I'd probably strip more Phillips than
Yeah, that's
Robertson.
awkward.
What the fuck do you use this
And you
for?
know what? That actually makes
There's
sense now
my
because
grandpa's.
because if you ever bought a set of screwdrivers from Canadian Tire and it comes with everything and
You
Robertson,
gotta see the tip.
that actually makes a lot of sense now.
There you go.
Yeah, people would open up your toolbox. You go, why do you have Robertson screwdrivers in your fucking toolbox?
Ditch or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's unacceptable.
Building decks at work.
Yeah. Yeah, they're great. They make great wood screws, but other than that, I've never seen them on anything else.
I think the handle's pretty old. 'Cause all the newer hard handles have USA. back there.
This guy's another educated guy like me.
See?
Is there a date stamp on that screwdriver there, bud?
It's not that old.
Some of them have it. Some of them don't.
That? Yeah. fined from calling me a fine gentleman. Get silly now.
Well, I know I'm getting something today. I don't know what yet, though. In fact, I think I know what.
Come on.
What are you getting?
It'll be a surprise.
You gotta watch the video.
Yeah, you gotta watch the video. You gotta watch it to the
At
end.
the very end. Like and subscribe.
Hey, what the fuck? Never seen these
Is it a
before.
surprise? Are we sharing secrets? What's going on?
They're Nipex.
It's a secret.
I look better.
Much better. Thank you.
Those are
very
kind
much.
of cool.
Oh, you gotta transfer all
Part
that
number is-
black goop over there.
No, that's actually the finish peeled off.
4144 200.
Oh,
I thought it was goop too, but no.
I thought he got like bead sealer or something.
That's what I thought at first too. But no, it was sitting in moisture for a period of time.
Yes. You got any of
Chrome
these
field.
scratchless belts on your truck?
Scratchless belts. He has bolts. Snap on
You got medium one?
Yeah, those scratchless belts are pretty awesome. You got the covers for them too,
I'm
don't
gonna get one for my brother-in-law for Christmas.
Let me turn the furnace off.
It's hot in here.
It's always hot in here.
Catch that on video.
I know. So it tripped and fell.
Okay.
Oh, that's a pretty good kit right there.
You sure? Not me. Oh. Okay. I was like,
All right, well, we're gonna finish up in here and head back into the shop. See you
So
guys in a
you
minute.
got 34, 36, or 38?
All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. You guys saw the truck stuff, of course. Truck's all decorated nicely. Good job, Tyler. Okay, so it's obviously it's Christmas. This is Tyler's got one more week, and then he's on holidays for a little bit. So he makes his rounds, and his wife makes the best butter tarts you've ever had. That's what it's in here. So he passes these around every year. Thank you to Tyler's wife. Name is slipping me. I can never remember your name. I apologize. But thank you very much. They're amazing. I can't wait to eat it. What else do we get? Tyler gave me these cookie cutters. You guys saw these on the truck as well. So he gave me some. So my wife's she's gonna make some use of those. I do have one of these to give away. Who's got an iPhone 4? I'm gonna give this away. I'm gonna figure it out, and we'll give one away. We'll give it away. Just keep an eye out. We'll figure it out. I got a Christmas card. This year's calendar. You guys all know what these are. I got a hot pad for you know, when my wife makes the cookies and shit like that. Pair of socks. These are the best socks ever. If you guys don't have these, there is no let's see, what's the part number on these things? Yeah, whatever. There's no part number. If you've never ever worn Snap-on socks, I urge you to wear Snap-on socks. They are awesome. What else? Okay, so I got the easy mount. That's for the windshield. That way I can actually continue. I go back to the way I was actually making videos in my truck when driving and stuff like that, right? So it's hands-free here. We get in big trouble if we have our hands on our phones. In fact, I'm not even sure this is so super legal. But anyway, this thing's super nicely built. Actually, it's aluminum. Part number for this bad boy is ACYMAGWIND. Say that again, or you just show it to you like that. Okay. And last but not least, I decided I would I just bit the bullet, guys. TSL F72, that is Snap-on's new 1/4-inch ratchet with the speed ratchet on the end. This thing turning it into a speed ratchet. I can't wait to use this thing. I don't have enough ratchets, right? But I mean, can you really have enough ratchets? Like I said before, you can have too many of one ratchet, but never enough ratchets. So anyway, that's pretty much it. We're empty. That's all. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm actually in the process here. Let me flip you guys around. I'm in the process of the engine re-and-re. So we're building the engine today and tomorrow. So hopefully that all goes as planned. Let's get back to here. Sorry about that. Sorry about shaking you guys around. But anyway, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Make sure you guys check out the install video of the 2.4 on the Santa Fe. That'll be up in the next couple of days. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.